Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to install WordPress on a temporary domain in Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account, then go to Websites. Here you will see a list of the available websites on your hosting plan. And to install WordPress on a temporary domain, simply click on this Add Website button. Then make sure to select Install WordPress and click on Continue. Here you can select, or you can give your new WordPress website a title, or you can skip it for now. I will give it a title, for example, WordPress on temporary domain. Click on Continue. Here, instead of entering a domain name, for example, a .com domain, select Use a temporary domain. Click on Continue. And then wait a moment. They are installing WordPress for you on a new temporary domain name. As you see, your site will be ready soon. And your new WordPress website on a temporary domain will be the first on the list. And to test if the installation is completed, just click on this temporary domain. And as you see, my WordPress is installed on this temporary domain. This is my website, my WordPress website title. And now to log into WordPress, simply go back to this website's page and click on WordPress admin. This way you will automatically log in to your new WordPress dashboard. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. This way, you will automatically log in to your new WordPress dashboard. But before this, Bluehost will ask you a few questions to customize your website. If you want to go with this onboarding process, you can select between a template or build your website using AI. And if you want to have a fresh copy of WordPress, simply look here, and this is your temporary WordPress address. This is your website name, and this is wp-admin for the dashboard page. Now, anything after the wp-admin, select it like that, and then delete. Click on enter. And this way you will automatically log into the WordPress dashboard without replying at those customization questions. Personally, I prefer this way because the more I reply to Bluehost questions, the more plugins may be installed on my WordPress site. As you see, your site is currently displaying the coming soon page. Once you're ready, launch your website. Click on launch your site. Let's go back to my website, refresh it to see if anything changes. As you see, now WordPress is 100% installed on my website. Let's check this Hello World article. As you see, site preview, this is not live. Only admins can see this view. Let's go back to the dashboard in order to launch my website. Coming soon. Let's go back to the home page. I'm looking for how to disable, or this is just go to Bluehost, then click on Home and click on this yellow button called Launch Site. Your website is live to the world. Now, if I refresh this page, this red banner should disappear. And this, as you see, now my website is live to the public. And as you see, this template is the Bluehost template and not the original WordPress one. To switch to the WordPress default theme, simply go back to the WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance and click on Themes. This is the Bluehost blueprint template, and let's select another WordPress default theme, for example this one called 2025. Click on Activate, and let's go back to my WordPress website and refresh this page. And as you see, this is the default WordPress theme. Let's go to the home page, and this is the home page of my WordPress website on a temporary address. Before I wrap this video, let's show you an important step, which is knowing your WordPress username and password in order to log into your WordPress dashboard without having to click on this WordPress admin button. So go to Users and click on Profile. So this is the username that you should remember. On WordPress, you can log into your dashboard using the username or the email address, this one. It's the same thing. And for the password, scroll down to the bottom, and next to New Password, click on Set New Password. Delete this suggested one, like that, and fill in your password here. And don't forget to click on Update Profile in order to start using your new password. And later, let's show you how to log into WordPress dashboard. Just type in your WordPress site address. This is the, let's remove the rest. This is your WordPress temporary domain, and this is the website. To log into your dashboard, simply add /wp/ or backslash, I'm not sure, wp-admin, like that, and hit enter. Here, as I've said before, you can log in using your username or email address here. After that, fill in your new password here and click on login. And this is how to create WordPress on a temporary domain on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.